Finally time for one of my favorite holidays of the year, Halloween. And I'm really excited to be able to share some 3D prints that I've done for this upcoming Halloween. So here's like 5 or 6 free files that you can download online. First one, let's check out this one right here. This is the Jack Skellington kind of inspired pumpkin head. And this thing is so cool. I actually really like this one. There's a ton of different like texture and detail all around this. It just looks great. I did do multicolor on this so that way I could have the green stem. And I did print this in Bamboo Lab PETG High Flow. So mainly because I actually want to be able to set these things outside. So I need something that's going to be a little bit more resistant to the temperature, especially here, and have some UV protection. Basically anything's better than PLA if it needs to go outside. So yeah, this one is super cool. And this one is by, I'll put it right here because I can't say that, but this was over on Maker World if you want to check it out. And I'll have links down in the description for everything here in case if you want to print these out yourself. Now, a lot of these also have the ability to work with some tealights or some inner lights. A couple tealights. Oh yeah, that looks super cool. As you can see, the tealights on the inside of this just make it look super rad. I love how it kind of has that flicker look within the eyes. Looks great. All right, next up is actually one of my own designs. I'm actually really excited for this. I thought this turned out really good. I'm calling this the perfectly imperfect little jack-o'-lantern pumpkin here. He's not the greatest looking file, but you know what? I think that's what makes him look so unique. And same thing, just like the last one. You could toss a couple tea lights in it and get a really cool, awesome effect with the glow. Same thing, printed this in PETG High Flow. Mainly, like I said, just because I want to be able to use all of these outside. Everything I printed here, with the exception of one thing, is printed in the PETG High Flow from Bamboo Labs. You can find this one over on Maker World as well. I think pretty much everything I have here is going to be available there. If not, like I said, there's going to be links down in the description for everything, all the files, in addition to a link to some tea lights if you want to check these out. Now, a lot of these were actually super small designs. Whoops. Now, a lot of these were actually really small designs that I just supersized up. I basically just try to fill up the build plate on my A1 or my Bamboo Lab X1 Carbon as large as I could to fit these. Like I said, this one is super cool as well. This is from Nuke DDDD, and it's like a Lattice inspired Halloween carved pumpkin jack-o'-lantern, and it's actually got a specific spot on the inside for a tea light, which is cool. But you know what? The small one just doesn't cut it for me. Like I said, I wanted to do everything big. So I supersized it and I scaled this thing up as big as it could go on the build plate, and it looks awesome. I think this thing looks so cool. The only thing is that you have a giant hole in the center for a massive tea light that doesn't really exist. So what you could do is just throw a bunch of them on the inside to kind of fill up that space to really get that light going. You have a removable stem which prints separately, and then you have a lid that actually comes off as well. And it really allows easy access to get in here. You could actually use this as a candy bowl if you wanted to, technically, just because it's so easy to get inside. Yeah, this one's awesome. I really like this one. And let's move on to the next one, which my kids just freaked out about because they absolutely loved it. And same thing with this one. It was a really small design, but you know what? I didn't think this was good enough. I had to super scale it. So here we go. This is a Minecraft-inspired jack-o'-lantern. You know, I play the game with my kids as well, and they love to play. And I think this thing just looks so awesome. There is 2 files for this one. You can do one that's like a multicolor, different color oranges. I just went with the super simple one color all the way through. You have a lid that prints separately, which is nice. You know, you're not gonna be able to really use tea lights in this one. You could, but actually I went with my a little portable light here that's on the candle fire mode, and I like to put that one in here, and it gives it just a super cool effect. Yeah, this one's awesome. This one is also on Maker World over by Nui. And man, you knocked this one out of the park. This one and the last Halloween pumpkin one was just, the pumpkin ones are just awesome. Now, let's move on to one more. All right, so now here's a bonus one. This is not a pumpkin or anything like that, but it fits in Halloween just perfect. I actually printed this last year in glow-in-the-dark PLA, and I have to say, it is freaking awesome. It is a huge Oogie Boogie from Nightmare Before Christmas. The detail and the texture on this is just phenomenal. I'm really stoked on how this came out. Plus, it glows in the dark. How cool are these? Let me know down in the comments below what your favorite Halloween files are. I'm super interested to check them out. Maybe I'll print them up for myself and my kids. Yeah, if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. And before you go, you should probably check out this video right here because YouTube thinks you'll like it.